Sit-ups is a staple abdominal exercise. Sit-ups, however, is also an exercise that can trigger lower back pain. This lower back pain can be linked to the space between the lower back and the floor whilst lying down and preparing to do your sit-up. A standard adjustment will be for you to close the space between the lower back as well as the floor. This, however, will place a lot more emphasis on the abdomen and will reduce momentum, thus making the sit-up exercise much more challenging. Solution number 1. Swing your arms from behind the head towards your feet while simultaneously sitting up. This is a much more easier version than the one before. Tip number 2, use a cushion. By placing your back on the cushion whilst doing the sit-up, this cushion will act as a bridge and as such will assist you through support of the lower back whilst executing the movement. It is important for you to note the posture being demonstrated here. There is no straightening of the spine whilst lowering self towards the floor. There is a rounding of the spine. This rounding assists with taking off some of the pressure on the back, all right, and placing more of the emphasis on the abdominal muscles. Now, once it's a case where you are comfortable with doing the sit-up, arms extended, then you can consider yourself to progress towards removing those arms extended and going to the conventional sit-up. Keep in mind that the form should still be executed where you are rounding your spine. Now, if it's a case where those versions highlighted are still challenging for you, then consider taking a step back towards doing the seated hold. This isometric movement will work on strengthening the core muscles and as such will assist you in developing the necessary strength to move to the stage of doing a sit-up with arms extended. I want to briefly mention again that after doing all of these steps, if you intend to get back to using just the floor, remember to round your spine and remember that at the end of the day, safety is paramount. Take care.